Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin inside the app, open Profile and tap the three dots to reach Settings and Privacy. First, confirm the account you're modifying so changes apply where you want them. Then, tap Privacy, that's where most controls live. Once done, scan Safety and Personalization because they affect recommendations and data sharing. Make sure to keep the app updated. Older versions can hide options. You're now ready to change who can interact with you, view content, and see your activity. Now you adjust the core options that control visibility and interaction. Toggle Private Account to limit who sees your posts. This blocks unknown viewers immediately. Next, go through interactions. Set comments, duet, stitch, and downloads to friends or off to reduce unwanted contact. Then, in Discoverability, disable Allow others to find me by phone or email to limit searchability. Once set, review following and block lists to prune access. These choices directly reduce exposure. Finish by checking data and ad settings so you control personalization and data sharing. Turn off personalized ads if you want less profiling. Then confirm safety tools. Restricted mode and family pairing can add limits. If a setting doesn't behave, try logging out and back in to force sync. If that fails, update the app, clear its cache, or reinstall. Those steps often fix saving issues. And finally, use block or restrict for persistent accounts. They stop contact without further.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.